What's up, everybody? This is Andy with Junk Be Gone. So we're about to get started on our first job of the day. It's just some railroad ties and timber, old rotted pieces of wood. So this is what we're picking up right here. Told them $160. Shouldn't take but just a minute to load it up. Say it won't take very long at all. So we're gonna get started. So we're pretty close to being done here. I am going to rake it up and get everything cleaned up real nice and pretty. And we're going to get out of here and head to the next job. This is a repeat customer. So I've done one other job for this customer. And I think I'll probably be back one of these days. That's the beauty of repeat customers. Job security. Alrighty, that about wraps it up for this one. So I charged $160 and we're gonna move on to the next.